All right, y'all, we balling crawfish today, a little bit different here in Puckett Center, Louisiana. First up, y'all, we're gonna drop them potatoes in. We're going in there with the lemons, jalapenos, onions, and garlic. Half the bag going in. Get that all mixed around after we put that half a bag in there. Y'all, we got a lot of kids coming here today, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna boil the sides first, and then we're gonna kick up the seasoning to it and boil the crawfish. All that flipping over right there. Look, it's so good. All that seasoning and everything put into the potatoes. When the potatoes get done, we're gonna pull them out. All right, y'all, let's check them potatoes. Get it up right there. Check it in. A little fork. And all I want to do is see if those, oh yeah, those potatoes are done. And they're nice and soft. All right, now what we're gonna do, Mama T, we're gonna set this back down in there. We got some of that extra sweet corn. It's already been pre-boiled, so all we're gonna do is drop it down in there. Like that, we're gonna go ahead and drop them little brandy bees in there and some sausage. Let it set for a second. Oh, Mama T, look at that. Oh man, is that looking pretty right there? Man, so beautiful. All right, let's get that milk on out of there. We're just gonna dump it on one end right here. We're gonna drop that basket back in there. The water's still boiling. Now, y'all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a full bag. We already put a half a bag of Southern Boy seasoning in it. We're gonna get a full bag. Drop in there. And that's a bag and a half. Get an 80. All right, look at that, bug. Woo, that's pretty right there. All right. Got them washed up, got them all clean and everything. There we go, look at that. Sweet boy. Get them all pushed down. All right, now what we're going to do, y'all, we're going to let them go for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll shut them down and let them soak. Y'all, it's been 10 minutes. We're going to shut them down. Look at that, Mama T. Show them how to pretty them. Look at all that seasoning in it, huh? All right, we're gonna throw some of them old frozen crab legs on there now. Oh, like that.
That'll help you absorb some
seasoning there, huh? Drop down like that. Push them underneath them crawfish. Y'all, once them crawfish start sinking down, soaking up all that good Southern Boy seasoning, it'll be time to serve. We want that water temperature to get on down about 165. Got my brother-in-law Bruce here today. He's telling me some of his secrets of boiling crawfish. His daddy bought many a pound of crawfish down there at Greg Wall's. Y'all remember the old Greg Wall store there below Springfield. But anyway, family fun today. All right, Mama T, them crawfish been soaking. Pick them up, set them down like that. Check that out, look at that. Oh, I'm ready. Look how big them crawfish are, boy. Golly. All right, here we go, Mama T. Dump them crawfish in the little canoe. Check that out right there. Got them snow crabs right there. Look at them big crawfish, y'all. Golly, boy, that's pretty. Ooh, they cool down a little bit. We eat one. They'll cool down a second. All right, y'all, let's try one of them crawfish right here. Let's see how it pops. Just like that. Good stuff right there, y'all. Telling you right there, y'all. That's it, right there. Just don't get no better than that. Louisiana boiled crawfish. Happy Easter, everybody.